Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Knowledge Hub. Today, I'm going to discuss with you people the effective way of the studying together. So, benefit of study group, you know, the what kind of benefit you will gain in combined study. A sport group can be a motivator, easier to ask classmate questions. Your commitment might be stronger because the group depends on all members. Study group add a strong auditory aspect to your learning experience. One or more group member is likely to understand something that you do not understand. You can learn new study techniques or habit from other people. You can compare yourself in terms of notes with other students. This will generate a positive competition. So teaching or explaining concepts to other group members will reinforce your learning facet. Studying can be boring. Study with other can make the studying more enjoyable. So getting a study group started, get to know your classmate well before asking them to join your study group. You should be able to answer yes to each of these questions. So these are the questions to understand, is this classmate motivated to learn? This is very important. If he is not interested to learn, then he will not be beneficial for all the other members. Does the classmate understand the subject well? Is this classmate dependable? So, would this classmate be tolerant of other ideas, because it is very important to listen everybody. So would you like to work with this classmate? So these are the essential questions to keep in mind. Invite the correct number of the classmates to your study group. The best number seems to be between 3 to 5 members. So decide how often and how long the group will meet each week. Best is 2 or 3 times in a week, and session should be between 60 to 90 minutes. So decide where to meet. The location should be without distractions. So decide on the goals of the groups. Goal can be include reviewing notes, discussing, reading, and study for the exam. So decide on a leader for the group, and if the leader will be the same or change each week. This is depend on the mutual consensus. Set an agenda for each meeting, including specific uh, number assignments. So develop a contact list for the members with all of their contact information and provide to each member. Characteristic of a successful study group. Each group member contributes. Group members actively listen without interruption each other. So these are the requirements basically. Group members work together to resolve any problem arising without the group. Members are prompt and come ready to work. The group stay on task according to the agenda. Member always shows each other respect. Members should feel comfortable with constructive criticism. Members should feel free to ask questions at the end of each meeting An agenda is set with assignments for the next meeting. Above all, a positive attitude that we can do this together is maintained. So, possible pitfalls of study group. Do not let the study group get distraction from the agenda. Do not let the study group become a social group. Do not allow members to attend unprepared. Do not let negatives slip into the group. Do not let one or two members dominate the group. So thanks to all of you for your good listening. So please, you are requested to see the next informative clip. Subscribe the channel and push the bell icon in the meantime. Thanks to all of you once again.